In the night time, you can still recharge the solar light by the use of uh, electric bulb, lighting bulb. No? Oh. Uh, just like a recycling of power energy. No? Now, I have to switch on the light, the bulb, the power switch. Here. Oh. Still charging. Still charging. Okay. I will switch off the light. No problem about in the night time. You can still charge your solar. When there is burnout, uh, the solar light is automatically switch on. When the electric power comes back, the solar light automatically switch off, and the solar panel continues to recharge your battery. No, recycling the power energy. No problem. Okay.